Why don't you clean your truck? Look how dirty this thing looks. You see how dusty this thing looks? Why don't you clean it? We're too lazy. Anyway, I'm in my 60s. That's a liar. Okay. Not sure what he means by that. Just the four of Oh! I'm not used to riding bumpy roads in Alexander County. Wait, we're in this county? Yep. A fresh air, no city, just a country. I need. This thing. This thing. This thing. This thing. Ding. Stop acting stupid in here. And yes, we're in the exact same truck. This is not a different one. Well, I could tell because of that. What? The dash cam and the radar detector? What's that tape for? Oh, the windshield crack. That's why we put the tape on there. Okay, makes sense. What's that hanging thing right there? It's the antenna. The antenna? Does Teslas have those? Come on, we're not in a Tesla. Alright. Oh, that was a tidy turn back there. Whew. Thinking about this, should the radar detector be going off by now? Yeah. Anyway, I like to talk like the country road in Texas. Howdy, y'all. I'm Mrs. Redbird. Stop being so weird. That's right, stop. It's annoying my thorns, known as my ears. Birds don't have ears. Ugh. The radar detector should be going off by now. Beep, beep, beep. K, alert. That's you making the noises. I know. It's just me making the noises. Ugh. How many more minutes before we get to our grandpa's house? 10 minutes. 10 minutes? I thought it was only 5. Same. Ugh. For now, I'll sit on the dashboard. Ugh. I'll sit on the dashboard. And, well, then I'll have a little fun of game and play. Game and play? Oh, yes. Who wants to play tic-tac-toe? Tic-tac-toe? Yeah, tic-tac-toe. Tic-tac-toe. Ooh! Someone maybe fell over. Ooh. No, I'm not falling. I don't want to fall over. I'm not falling over. I'm not falling over. I'm not gonna fall over. I can't. Quiet! I'm listening to my radio station. Only a few more minutes left. How much longer? Well, we only got 2 more minutes. Good. I want to sweep in the bed. Oh, yeah. We also found out 2 weeks ago that mouses are starting to live in the basement. Oh, no. I'm not being the devil. The devil of the mice and the king. You know, right? The Nutcracker. You know, where the mouse and the king were fighting in the Nutcracker. Get it? What do you mean by that? Well, it's just to say, I actually like riding this thing. Oh yeah, I remember when I first found this thing really high. Look at me. This thing looks so high. I used to be like that when I first rode this truck. Anyway, that was the first video of 2020. Quiet, son. Sorry. Hey, that's my friend from Piggyville. No, he's not. Yeah, that's right. Hey! Now, y'all, no fighting in this truck. Sorry. Whoa! It's a bit bumpy. Stop complaining, it's bumpy. Oh, it's getting a little too sweaty in here. I'm gonna turn it up. Don't turn it up! Why? Why you don't want me to turn it up? It breaks the transmission! No wonder why it sounds like a loud thunder back there in the corner. Anyway, house is being rebuilded. Houses are being rebuilded. Hooray, hooray, houses are being rebuilded. Bum, 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 bum. Ow! Hey, that wasn't so funny. Stop. I'm not being the cockroach from Ogie. Stop acting like a dog. Hey! Yeah, he's right. He is certainly right. Hey! My thorns! Hey, but don't touch my feathers. Please stand by. Oh, is that our garage remote up there? No, that's for cousin Redbird's house. Cousin Redbird's house? I never knew he had a garage for his house. That's because you haven't met him yet. Oh, yeah, right. All right. Hey, don't take off your seatbelt. Son, put your seatbelt back on. It's not safe. Yeah, it is. What do you mean? Well, hey, put your seatbelt back on. Hey. Oh, Pepsi. Oh, look.
Hey, Grandpa.
I guess they got done cutting the grass. Yep. Uncle Redbird's here too. Well, I guess we're here, so yeah.
Is it just Grandpa?
Anyway. I'm dead. Oh. Well, let's get out.